Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Metal Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Metal Sonic, let's begin with the face. We're going to start up here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go back up like this. Starting here, we're going to come down, and then we're going to go up, and we're going to come down again and up here. Inside of here, we're going to make a little smiley face and then another one right here. Then we want to add another small smiley face right inside of there, and we're going to color that one in. Right here, we're going to curve this down, and we're going to come up and bring it over here. We'll add a small circle for the nose. Then we're going to add a circle or oval shape on each side. Then we'll make another little curve right inside of them. Next, we're going to make lines going to go out and then in, and then same thing here. We're going to go out and in. A little curve here, and a little curve here. We're going to make a line that's going to go around and then out, or in, and then we're going to do the same thing, just kind of go right around the edge and then bring it in. Then right here, we're just going to go up and down. Over here, we're going to bring this out and then come in. Do that same thing here, just go down and out and then bring it in for the sides of Metal Sonic's face. Starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's going to curve around and come up. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and then up. Right in the middle here, let's add a circle. Then we'll add another circle right inside of there. Let's go ahead and add some lines right around here. Over here, we're going to make a half oval shape on each side. Then we'll make a line that's going to go out. It's going to come in and connect. Let's do that again. We're going to go out, in, and then connect. Make a line that goes down, and a line that goes down. And we're going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and then up. And then this one we're going to go down, we're going to go over, and then come right back up. Starting here, let's make a long, pointed, skinny line right there. Then we're going to make a line that goes down, and we're going to come across, and then connect. Then we're going to make some long lines that come down for fingers. And then right here we're going to make lines going to come up, it's going to go over, and then we're going to bring it back down. And this one we're going to put long fingers coming up. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little half circle on each side. Draw a little skinny rectangle that comes down. Then we'll make a little curved line on each side. Next, we're going to go down, over, and up. Same thing here. We're going to go over a little bit. We'll go down, over, and then up. Put a little half circle on each side. Put a circle at the bottom. And we'll draw a straight line down. We'll make a line that's going to go down and then comes back. Same thing here. We're just going to go down, bring it back. We'll do a small one back here. Just a line, and then we're going to go down and come back. We'll draw 2 lines across and 2 lines across here. We'll put a little circle inside here with a couple little lines. Right along the fingers, we're going to add a couple little lines. I'm going to put about 2 lines on each finger. And we'll do a little circular shape on each one. And then right here by the eyes, I'm going to add a second little line. And there you go, there is your drawing of Metal Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.